Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about some new pop-up messages that Facebook is giving us, trying to manipulate us to do some preset settings instead of choosing our own settings for our ads and our spending. The setting that we're going to analyze today is when we're trying to duplicate ads. I can see in more and more ad accounts, and there are people asking me if they have to use one option or the other. So we will jump to my PC. We're going to see when it's being triggered and what you should do, and we will take it from there. So this specific pop-up window doesn't appear in all ad accounts, even though I see it more consistently in other accounts that I'm inside. Here we have a lead gen ad account, not any high spend, any significant. This is an old client of mine. I wanted to show you how it's working. Basically, if you go and you duplicate one campaign over here, you will see that it's popping up this one. Even if you do it from here, for example, it's going to pop up the same thing. Now, if you do it like this and you click the first one, which says duplicate with recommended adjustments, improve your campaign's potential with the best setup for your goal, your budget will not change, and you can review adjustments before you publish. Or you can do duplicate with current settings, manually update your existing campaign selections. You also have the option to create an A/B test. So basically here it says that, are you going to give us a chance of doing all of the settings for you and just pick the creative? This is the new meta way of thinking that, hey guys, you're not doing good ads, just focus on the creative, let us do everything else because we know the algorithm, but we do not believe them because we have better results from their automatic presets sometimes, okay? But eventually, you can see that this is where the platform is transitioning to, okay? This is what they want to achieve. They just want to create a platform that is going to be accessible by anyone to do ads, even without any knowledge, because it's going to be a preset. Like the boost button that we have in the posts in the Facebook pages. Over here, if we click on duplicate with current settings and we press continue, nothing is going to change. Original campaign, it's just the same. But if we do it from the campaign level, it's just going to do another campaign. But if we do it here from this level over here, it's going to create a completely new campaign. Because obviously one of the first things that it's going to do is that it wants to have CBO. Let's go and see all the settings that it has. Of course, it has scary messages like to avoid zero results and proposing different things for different optimization events. For example, if you are on purchase, it proposes to go on add to cart and so on. Here we have message events for a lead generation. And if we go now on the ad over here itself, we can see that it doesn't change the date. We will have to change the date. We can do whatever we want. It doesn't change the audiences. It has this one checked. It says reach people beyond your custom audience. Of course, here it keeps our placements, but it doesn't have any interests. And then it kept also the manual placements over here, but because of the way that we do ads, if you do it in a normal campaign, it's going to choose automatic placements. When you see this here, this small sign, it means Advantage Plus, okay? So they have Advantage Plus placements. Let's see also the option here. Okay, it doesn't give anything else. So basically what it's going to do is that it's going to do an ad, and if it's a purchase account, it's going to be different. Give me 1 second. Let me show you one purchase account and how it works there. Okay, I found one purchase account that has it. If we press duplicate here and we do the duplicate, let's see the differences that we're going to see and what kind of settings we're going to have in a conversion campaign. So it says converted campaign. Your Advantage Plus shopping campaign has been created, okay? So basically in this situation, it didn't even do a normal campaign, it just did an Advantage Plus. In the previous situation, it just changed some settings. In this situation, it just went immediately and it created one Advantage Plus, while this campaign that we had over here, it wasn't an Advantage Plus campaign. Another thing that we can see here is that we have here dynamic creative ads. And we can see that it just took one image. It didn't take all of our different images. It just took one image over here. It would be amazing if you can do just one campaign with dynamic creative ads with all of the creatives, and then you duplicate it in an Advantage Plus and it's going to create 10 ads for you. That would be the most epic thing because you would be able to work super fast with Facebook ads. When it does it, it makes it an Advantage Plus campaign. You can do one Advantage Plus on your own, or if you have a lot of different ads, you can just click on it and it's going to make it an Advanced Plus for you. That's also a very efficient way for you to be able to, have immediately Advanced Plus campaigns without doing them from the beginning. And if you have other options like lead gen or messages or whatever, it's just going to change some presets like some of your placements or some other thing. But I think that it's keeping a lot of your settings. Maybe over there it's failing and it doesn't go to Advanced Plus because it cannot have Advanced Plus with messages, and maybe it does only Advanced Plus. It's a very good efficient way if you have normal campaigns to move them immediately to Advanced Plus. Advanced Plus is working, we all know it. So as the algorithm is becoming better and better and better, we will see that Facebook will try to do more broad targeting. We will see that Facebook is going to have more preset settings. We will see that Facebook is going to use automatic or advanced placements, as they call it now, because Advanced Plus campaign obviously worked pretty well. So now people consider Advanced Plus a good thing, so they're using it to everything that they want to push. Meta is saying that they're doing all of that so that we can spend our money efficiently. I have different opinions of things. At the end of the day, we're going to use our money as we want. And if the platform is giving us the option of doing manual campaigns or preset campaigns, maybe we're going to do manual campaigns because we have better control to it. On the other hand, we have seen that on broad targeting, for example, we don't have very good control, but Facebook is still working. Still, I'm going to test all of them and use the best combination. This is how I've learned to use the Facebook platform, and this is not going to change, along with the fact that I'm going to see everything that Meta does initially with a very big skepticism until I see it working consistently in several ad accounts. The point here is this: the more we progress, the more Facebook and Meta is going to push more presets and more pop-up windows like the one that I showed you. I will try to make videos to explain to you after my testings which ones have worked, which ones haven't, and which ones you should avoid. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, my paid course, my website, and until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.